Create AI Photo Generator app. So if you want to know about Create AI Photo Generator app, then first, just open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for the application, which is Create AI Image Video Maker, which is also called as Content Creator app. And once you have this application, if you want to install this application, you can just simply tap on install. This app is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create high quality content using AI, whether you're a blogger, marketer, or content creator. This app has everything you need to streamline your creative process. So what is Creative Gen? Creative Gen is a powerful AI-powered content creation tool that helps users generate content in minutes, from blog posts and social media captions to videos and images. This app simplifies the entire content creation process by harnessing the power of AI. Some of the top features of Creative Gen include AI text generation, high quality blog posts, articles. It will write high quality blog posts and articles or social media captions with just a few clicks. It has visual creation, which means create eye-catching visuals with AI-driven design tools. Video content generation, it will create video content or generate video content with custom scripts or prompts. It has voiceover generation. It has AI videos with cute Polaroid charm. It has dual AI video. To use Creative Gen, simply tap to download it and choose the type of account you want to create. And in this way, you'll be able to use Create AI Photo Generator app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.